So Tsinesing IDCE, we typically encourage the customer to have set up a company. The reason for that is that having a company allows your business to take on a life of its own. What do I mean by that? Siyakhona ibhizinisi yakho to have its own banking history, credit history, trading history. Lokhu bese kuyakusita nasowuta soyocela imali. Siyakhona kubuka ukuthi ibhizinisi yakho beyisolo yenda njani, and then going forward kuthi si-projecta ukuthi itawuchubeka yende njani. So lokho kuyakusita. In terms of documents, it's the typical KYC, or Certificate of Incorporation, your valid trading license, Form J, Form C, the standard documents. However, having said kukhuluma ngenkampani akuvaleli lo sole trader lo ngayirejistile ngenkampani ukuthi ete atocela imali. But being a sole trader, kuyabita ube a registered sole trader. Again, for the same reasons, it protects you, it protects your company. Kwatiwe ukuthi cha ukhona vele emabhukwini akangwani. And then kwesibili lengifuna ukugeta is kuyasita if you've already started doing something in your business, however small it is. Lokho kuyasita kubona ukuthi vele le market ikhona yalendlu lo busy ngayo, bese ke siyakhona ukusita. So yeah.